Ka-Ching. Ka-Ching. That is sweet music to all founders' ears. Governments all over the world will use OnPASSIVE'S digital products, Ka-Ching. Every person on the internet will be using OnPASSIVE. Ka-Ching. That, my friends, is exciting. The soft launch is just around the corner. Get excited. Ka-Ching. Ka-Ching. Thanks Mr. Mufareh for all the dreams that will be fulfilled when this storm called OnPASSIVE is no longer in the warning stage. OnPASSIVE is in the watch stage. Destined to happen. Are you ready? Have you been paying attention? Do not be caught off guard. It is great to be alive. We stand at the genesis of something that will never happen again in our lifetimes. To be a part of the largest search and rescue mission ever undertaken. That defines what OnPASSIVE is. OnPASSIVE is searching and finding over 754,000 precious people and counting, and rescuing them from a world of nightmares and misery. We are in the right place at the right time to totally change countless millions of lives. When you do not have to worry about making ends meet. Being able to have the time and the resources to be able to help those who need the most help. This is what being a founder in OnPASSIVE offers us. The more that OnPASSIVE helps us, the more we will help others. Ka-Ching. Let's continue to support this great company and its incredible leadership headed by our magnificent CEO and loving and compassionate, caring and giving visionary Mr. Mufareh. Are you ready? John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.